Well, hello everyone. Today I have with me the iRobot Braavajet 240. This guy right here is the smallest in the line of the Braavajet series. There are actually three Bravajets from iRobot, and these are dedicated mopping robots. They don't vacuum, they dust, and they mop. But I got it to mop. Um, the iRobot Braavajet retails right around $200, and sometimes you can find it on sale for a little bit less than that. So for that, it's a great value to add to your house to help with the mopping. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right in and unbox this. I have not opened this up myself, so you will get to see it right along with me to see what all is inside. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Box comes open just like this. Neat little package inside. You can see here we have the robot. iRobot Braavajet mopping robot is what it says. And it is one of the things I like about this Braavajet is the size. If you can see here, the size of my hand. Let's hold it up for comparison. The size of my hand. So as you can see, the size of it is really small, and I like that because it should be able to get under countertops. It should, under cabinets. It should also be able to get between the toilet and the side of the walls. A lot of times people have toilet rooms. I do, and there's not a lot of space beside the wall and the toilet. So most mopping robots, in fact, even my vacuuming robot can't get between the toilet and the wall. So I'm hoping this will be effective for cleaning my floors. My house is mostly carpet, so I wanted to get this and try this out and see what the deal is with it. Vacuum War is one of the popular sites that reviews robot vacuums along with other vacuums. Actually gave this one good remarks. In fact, he suggested it for most people, even over the more expensive M6, the Braavajet M6 from iRobot. So there's the robot vacuum. It comes with a little instruction pamphlet here. We've got a box here in the back. This looks like our pads. This does come with several different types of pads. Take everything out of here. So, first set of pads we have here, and it comes with two of these. These are the wet pads, as you can see here. And there are two of the wet mopping pads. These are the ones I'm mostly going to be using. As you can see there by the indicator, it is the wet mopping pad. Then we have a dry dusting pad. That's the white one, as you can see by the indicator right there. Make sure you can see that. That is just a dusting pad. And then this is what they call a damp pad for light mopping. As you can see, it is right there in the center for the damp pad. Now, my understanding is when you put these on underneath the, let's go ahead and bust one of these open. Underneath the pad are these little holes here, and this tells the robot vacuum what type of pad is attached to the robot vacuum. So they should all be slightly different. Let's look at the dry pad. I see right off the bat we got a number 2 on the bottom of this one and a number 4, and they are definitely different. Let me show you these. The patterns are definitely different. Looks like they're backwards on this. I'll flip it around. Does it make it the same? No, they're definitely backwards. So those holes tell the robot vacuum what pad is attached, so it knows whether or not to spray water or not. This is the charger. Now, one thing I do like about this is it comes with a separate battery. You don't have to charge the unit itself, and because it comes with a separate battery, that means that you can buy replacement batteries, and the whole unit doesn't become trash when you run low on the battery. So I do like that. Plus, you can buy more batteries if you want and charge them up. Buying more batteries means that when one runs dead, you can just simply swap it out the back here and go on about your business mopping. So that just fits in there neatly like that. And give you a tour of it. Looks like the wheels on the bottom, they're on a pivotal axle here. They move side to side. Each wheel is connected to the other, so as one moves down, the other one moves like this. We got this little outlet here in the front. That's where the water sprays out of. And let's see what else we have here. We have a carrying handle, folds out from the top. We also have, this is where you put the water, right here in the water reservoir. And this should be to eject the pad. You can pick this thing up, put it over the trash can, eject the pad. These pads are not reusable. They are one-time use. Might get a couple times, depending on how big of the area that you are mopping. They do sell washable, reusable pads. I'll probably be picking up some of those pretty soon, but this will at least get me started. And that appears to be about it. So it came with 6 pads, 2 mopping, 2 dry, and 2 damp pads here to get started. And I'll be putting this through its paces and seeing what I think about the little Braavajet from iRobot here. And I'll be putting this through several different tests to see if this, in combination with my Roborock S4, which does not mop, is a good combination, or do I want to step up to something like an S5 Max or S6 that does a combination of mopping and vacuuming. When I first started down the road, I thought, well, I probably want 2 separate devices, one dedicated for vacuuming and one dedicated for mopping. Although there are disadvantages to that, we will find out. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can watch more reviews on this little guy right here. And if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button. All right, and please share this content. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, everyone. Bye-bye.